Greeting Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can use the chat right here in Zoom. Yes, very important right here. But if you notice, there's an arrow turn up when you click. You notice the show previous. But if you want to disable the chat, you can come all the way right here. So security, you're going to click. If you notice right here, you can actually click like that and disable the chat. Go back again, you click and enable it. Right, the next thing you want it to do, you want to click on it. Now when you click on the chat, you notice right here it appear to your right and all of that. So very important, you want to put it in the middle. You click on this button that said pop out. You notice you take it in the middle right here. You can drag it there and there. But if you notice some file inside here, you want to get rid of it, you click right there, come like that. But if you want to extend the window, come right here and click. There you go, right here. But if you come right here, that's it, format. When I click, you notice these are some words that I can actually format. Alright, let me type something inside here. So my name is Mark. So now I type that. So when I come like this, I'm gonna block it. I can actually bold it. I can italic it right there. You notice I can actually underline it. Just the same here. I can strike through. I can also increase it to give it the color right here. You notice. There's a background highlight right here. You can clear out the background highlight right here. Text color. You can actually change the text color right there. Right here. You can come right here. At the A, notice you have medium and you have large right there. You notice the text come up large right here. You notice paragraph, you can actually put a bullet. You notice there's a bullet right there. You can come all the way right here. You can actually give it an indent, right? Just the same and all of that, right? So now you have that right there. You can come right here. You can actually put an emoji by clicking right here. You can type and search for the rest of emoji. So for instance, if somebody do something, I want to give a thumbs up, you can come right here and you click on that. You notice it's right here, then you can press enter. You go down just like that. I want to upload a file right here in the Zoom chat. Remember, you click right here, look like a folder, you're gonna click. You can get it from Dropbox. Yes, Dropbox, you can see a file here, Dropbox, if you notice. Microsoft OneDrive, or you can actually go to your Google Drive just for it, just the same, right? The box and SharePoint, but I'm going to take it directly from my computer, which I'm going to click. Alright, it take me directly to my computer and I can view the different file right here. Alright, I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to come to the right, notice open, right here cancel. I'm going to click on word open, and if you notice right here, it upload my file right here. But if you notice, this is if you can actually take a screenshot of your computer and also put it directly in the chat. So I'm going to click on it. Alright, if you notice right here on the mouse, alright, I'm going to click like this. If you notice right here, it's even different stuff right here. I can actually give it color. Here I can undo, I can download, I can actually capture. I'm going to click on capture. If you notice, it's right here in the chat. I can click right here to get rid of it so far. But if you notice, it will go down arrow. I'm going to click. It said hide meeting window in the chat right here. You come right here, click on tree, say more. Right, it's everyone can directly. Right, so if you notice right here, everyone, if I click on host and co-host, is on the co-host and the host can actually share right inside there. If I click no one, mean that it's actually disabled to everyone. Right, very important. And you can come right back to the top, click it like that, take it right down small like that. You can come to this little that's right here and click merge with the window. You notice I take it right back right here. Then you can come right here and close it. So that's how you actually use the chat right there in Zoom. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.